Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about application of derivative. So now I want to show you how to answer. The first thing we need to find first derivative of the function in here. So this one we have number one form s. So for this one, we can apply about the quotient rule of derivative. So they should be like this. So for example, we have y equals to 8 over b. So if we do first derivative, we have like this. So we need to do first derivative of 8 multiplied by b minus we do first derivative of b multiplied by 8 over b squared. And now we can apply the formula in here. So that should be like this. So we do first derivative of 8 multiplied by b minus we do first derivative of b multiplied by 8 oh sorry, is it positive? Over b squared, that is about this one. Now we need to simplify this one and we have like this. This one that is about e to the power of s plus e to the power of negative s. First derivative of e to the power of negative s, we have negative e to the power of negative s. So negative with negative we have positive. This one and this one we have the power 2 minus e to the power of s minus e to the power of negative s, everything to the power of 2. Now, in this situation, we need to expand this one. So because e to the power of s multiplied by e to the power of negative s, we have number 1. That's why we just have only number 2 in here when we expand. Now we simplify on numerator. So e to the power of 2s minus e to the power of 2s, they cancel. E to the power of negative 2s minus e to the power of negative 2s, they cancel. Now we just have this one left. Next, number 1 we can do about factorize. Oh sorry, common denominator, and they should be like this. So this one we expand again. Number 2 minus number 4, we have negative number 2. And this one in here, that is about this one. Next, we need to find the critical points of the function. So in this one, we just have only this one equals to number 0. So I will put this one go to the right. Now we have same base of it. We can simplify and we have s equals to negative s. We put this one go to the left. And we have like this. S plus s, we have 2s equals to number 0. And now we can simplify and we have s equals to number 0. Now we can use about variation table. That should be like this. So because we have s equals to number 0, we put number 0 cone here. And this one equal to number 0 because this is about critical point. So when we go back to first the derivative f of s, we can see that this one in here we have the power number 2. This one we have power number 2. So we know that even power, they always provide the positive number. So in this situation, first the derivative of the function that should be positive. And we know that when first the derivative is positive, the function f of s increase. So in this situation, that should be like this. Next, we have number 0 in here. So as you can see that when we see on the table, we can know that the function they cross about at s equal to number 0 in here. So that means this function in here, we has only one root. This is the end. Thank you for watching.